Hi, I'm Ashley from Cubro, and today I've got with me the Viking 2 attendant-propelled mobile shower commode. This is a great robust commode and it has various different features which we're going to cover off now. So if we start off on the base of this commode, it has 4 braking casters which are very easy to operate, and also a nice sliding foot plate that is non-removable. So the key point there is the foot plate cannot get lost. It is also very stable, and if the odd chance if someone did stand on it, it's not going to tip the commode over. With the seat options on this commode, you can get various different types to suit different clients, individuals or residents, and that includes ones with open front, closed front and different size apertures. With the armrests on this commode, there is 2 different adjustment heights which we can have them at, and they also have the ability to be swung away for side access and transfers. Also, we have the locking feature on this commode where the armrest can swing into place by pushing the button on the side, which gives the individual a feeling of security when they're seated in the commode. This commode also has a 200 kg user weight. If you have any further questions, we look forward to hearing from you.